Hydro is a leading aluminium and energy company that builds businesses and partnerships for a more sustainable future. We develop industries that matter to people and society. Since 1905, Hydro has turned natural resources into valuable products for people and businesses, creating a safe and secure workplace for our 30,000 employees. Here in Norway, at the plant in Høyanger, we have continuously improved the production of raw aluminium since 1915, making it one of the longest running aluminium production sites. In Hydro, INOSA serves the function as a platform for our business system, a platform where we define and detail how we safely conduct our business in the safest possible degree.
Daily INOSA is used as a knowledge hub. This is where we find our instructions and procedures as well as other documents related to our business system.
Whether it's to communicate training requirements to employees or to receive improvement feedback on a procedure, we get it all automatic from INOSA. Our procedures prior to INOSA were only based on text. In INOSA, we are getting a lot more said with using videos and pictures.
The procedures are quite structured and graphical, making it easy read and very informative for me as an employee.
INOSA has many different use cases depending on where we look. The main purpose as a system is to support Hydro in developing our people. From a management point, it's robust and scalable, allowing us to set a structured standard for all the plants and maintain a transparent system. Documents can easily be shared between the plants, allowing us to have cross-trained employees that are always relevant for their roles.
By implementing INOSA, we are working smarter, faster and more environment friendly.